Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make a 555 timer IC based delayed off switch. This is a very useful circuit. We can use this circuit in our domestic water pump or in kitchen exhaust fan. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before making the circuit, I thought that 555 timer IC in a monostable multivibrator configuration will be the best way to make this. So I searched for the circuit in Google and saw tons of circuits. After prototyping a dozens of circuits in breadboard and making some changes in them, I came up with this final diagram which is suitable for this work. Components needed for this project are 555 timer IC with base, BC547 transistor, a 220 microfarad 25 volt capacitor, a 100 nanofarad capacitor, a 1M potentiometer, a 12 volt relay, a push button switch, a 3mm LED, a 1N4007 diode, 10 kilo ohm resistance, two 1 kilo ohm resistance, one 2.2 kilo ohm resistance, radio board, and some jumper wires. So let's start making this. So guys, our project is now complete. Let's check it. Now I will rotate the potentiometer a little, and by increasing the resistance we can see the on time of the bulb has increased. So guys, that's for today. In my next video I will make a single phase timer based pump motor starter with this circuit. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.